Guys, so I'm outside today and I thought I would just show you how I coffee dye my papers, except today I'm not doing coffee dyed papers, I'm doing some green papers for Christmas. So yeah, I dry my papers out on the grass. So I just have a little tub there of this is actually just some green food colouring. Put it in a bit of warm water and I just pretty much dunk the paper and plop it on the grass. And my coffee dyed papers, a lot of people comment, how do you get those nice big pooling grungy marks? And all it is, it's from when the paper, it's drying, and when you sit on the grass it kind of pools and the wind's coming, and yeah, those little poolings is what, when it dries, it leaves that nice grungy little coffee dyed mark. But yeah, these ones aren't too green. I didn't want them too bright, but I might do another batch later which is a lot darker. And there's Clive. Anyway, that's it. Thought I'd show you. You can see that sometimes they go for a fly around the yard, and I've got some envelopes up there. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Oops, I can't even see my screen to turn off my camera.